Baking, a way of relaxing. Crazy. Woo. Unwinding. And most of all, exploring the world through different flavors. And welcome back to Bake In, Season 2. We're going to be traveling across the world through food. Sacré bleu. With the help of my family and friends, we're going to India, Brazil, France, Canada, and so many more. Season 1 was me in my tiny kitchen in the flat, baking and filming banana bread all alone. But now I'm in our brand spanking new studio, and I'll be putting a spin on some classic sweet and savory dishes and taking them to a whole new level. So get your rolling pins ready. It's going to be the most delicious trip we've ever been on.